music. Students at H.E. McCracken Middle School are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month by learning some fancy footwork. Dance classes have teamed up with Spanish classes to take part in a week-long dance workshop being taught by an artist in residence through the South Carolina Arts Commission.
We learned flamenco as a Spanish dance that was brought west by the explorers, and then we're doing some Cuban dances that resulted from that exploration and the Spaniards being in a new world. One of the dances we're doing is the rumba, which was influenced by the flamenco and started out being a folk dance, now is a ballroom dance. And another dance we're doing is the cha-cha and the mambo, which are very closely related. One came from the other. So everybody do that. Ball change, ball change.
The students are really enjoying learning about the different countries the dances originated from.
We get to learn about other cultures a little bit more, the different dances, and it helps us do other difficult dance moves since we already have experience in other ones too.
We should learn more about the world, not just like about America and stuff. It's because the other world's interesting.
The students are also having fun learning all the different steps to the dances.
I like the flamenco one the most. So first you do this, you step back, you cross your feet and you turn, and you do these little step movements with your feet, and you do this, and yeah.
My favorite dance is the cha-cha because I like the stomp. It's fun. It's energetic like me.
H.E. McCracken Middle is an arts and basic curriculum school, and the dance teacher is excited to have this opportunity for her students.
I love the fact that it's a very different style they are not used to. It is not mainstream social media, so it's just opening their eyes to a whole other aspect that they can experiment and then have a lot of fun with. The more opportunities we have, the broader our knowledge base is, and it just leads to new opportunities and ideas.
By learning these different styles of dances, hopefully it will encourage the students to want to dance even more.
The main thing is that they know they can dance. We talked about how folk dances are dances of the people. People don't usually go to a class to learn these dances. They just get up and dance and watch other people do it and learn to do it that way. So I hope that they've all learned they can all get up and dance and follow other people and learn new dances.
The students will be performing the dances at the school's Hispanic Heritage Month celebration October 10th at 6 p.m. During the event, artwork will be on display, and there'll also be performances by the chorus and more. All are welcome to attend. At H.E. McCracken Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Quick, slow, quick, and point.